I'm headed to Chicago's Hot River North neighborhood, to a location that's a block from a CTA Brown and Purple Line stop, and a short walk from a wide variety of bars, restaurants, coffee shops, and art galleries for a tour of one of Sweet Home's furnished short-term apartments at the new, full-amenity AMLI 808. I'm at apartment 808, a one-bedroom on the northwest corner of the building, looking north along Wells Street. Turning for a look at a very sleek and stylish living space. You have a space for a dining table, flat panel TV, sectional couch, blonde plank flooring extending throughout the apartment, brushed concrete ceilings that are up near a 10-foot height, designer lighting in the kitchen, both pendant and track, white quartz marble veined counter with a breakfast bar lip, lacquer look cabinetry, French door refrigerator with ice and water in the door, and since we're in a Sweet Home apartment, it's kitted out with all the countertop appliances, cookware, dinnerware, cutlery that you're going to want to feel right at home and comfortably stay a while. That quartz marble vein backsplash, under cabinet lighting, deep, wide undermount sink, black gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. It's a 5-burner gas range, built-in microwave, 42-inch upper cabinets for storage, but storage is overabundant in this apartment, as you'll see. Very appealing living dining area, very comfortable. There's a wine rack. All of the floor-to-ceiling windows have roller blinds. Heading back toward the bedroom and the entryway, you have a really incredible wall of cabinets with lacquer look front and both shelving and hanging and a ton of both. Turning into the bedroom, looking at a home office desk, queen-size bed with flanked by nightstands. Closet is set up with custom organizers, additional bedding and towels. A ceiling fan and Ecobee thermostats in the apartment. It's a tandem entry to the bath from the bedroom. Bath is a storage cabinet, a wide double bowl vanity, LED lighting in the mirrors, designer cabinetry. There's large tile on the floor and up to the ceiling in the tub surround. Turning toward the entryway, the latch keyless entry system, pegboard to hang your coat, and a shelf to set your keys. Another coat closet and a full-size stacked washer dryer, exactly where you want it, away from the main living and sleeping areas. Storage in this apartment is an absolute wow. Very high-end finishes, very attractive space, and a building with a complete suite of amenities, including a rooftop pool. It's a sweet deal because it's Sweet Home.